Hi guys, and welcome to our tutorial video that shows us step-by-step procedures on how to format and clean of installing operating system or OS in your laptops, backup files, and how to install and uninstall a software application. So the first thing we should go first is to how to install the operating system. In order to install your copy of the Windows 7 OS, please make sure to have this following: Windows 7 installation disk, driver CD. So step 1. Insert the Windows 7 OS disk in your DVD drive and then restart your computer. Step 2. You will see a prompt that says press indicate to continue. When you see this, press indicate immediately.
Step 3. Starting Windows with the Windows 7 logo will appear. Step 4. Language option. By default, English will be set along with time, current format, and keyboard or input methods. Step 5. Click Install Now. Step 6. End User License Agreement and check the box Accept and Next.
Step 7. Which type of installation? Window will appear, upgrade will be gray out. The only option we should be able to choose is Custom or Advanced. Step 8. Where do you want to install Windows? Make sure the partition is highlighted. Step 9. Delete the partition by clicking on Drive option or Advanced on the bottom right corner of the page. Make sure the partition is highlighted and click on Delete if Drive Advanced option is gray out.
Step 10. This unlocated space should be only listed at this point. If it is, press Next. If it is not, please proceed to delete additional partition that may be listed. Step 11. The next screen will be Show Installation Windows. This process should take approximately 10 minutes. After this, the system will be rebooted. Note, do not press any key during the boot process so as to not disturb the rest of installation. Step 13. Set up the starting windows will appear on the screen, then you will be asked to create username and computer name.
Step 14. The next step will prompt you to create a password for your account or optional. Step 15. The next screen will come up and ask you to choose one of the options. First is use recommended setting. Second, install important updates only. And lastly, ask me later. Choose whatever you want. Step 16. This screen will allow you to choose your local time zone and also to adjust the time and date. And then, the installation is done. You have successfully installed Windows 7 on your computer. Our next thing to do is how to back up your files. Most of us have important files in computers such as photos, music we downloaded, or even your videos. It is very important to make sure your files are backed up because you never knew when your laptop may get with virus. The hard drive could fail or even your laptop could be stolen. In order to back up your file to the extra hard drive disk or hard drive, the first thing we need to do, locate the USB port, B port, and plug the hard drive in. The autoplay will mostly appear to have different tasks where shortcut we may want to perform. For now, we just close the window by clicking the X. We will then open the control panel so that we can back up your files or our files. So in the control panel, we will find the option to back up the computer under the System and Security. Then, click Set Up Backup. You may be prompted by the user account control. Then click Yes. You will then select the device that you would like to back up. Click on the devices one time and then click Next. It is recommended when let Windows choose to back up, or you would like to choose the Let Me Choose. Just click from the right option circle, then click Next. If you would like to click the Change Schedule and then select the day and time, or otherwise, click the Save Settings and exit. So now, you are now ready to back up the files up. So click the backup now. You may be prompted. Click yes, then take it in a few minutes, in a couple hours, to multiple hours. You were successfully to back up your files. Make sure you were safely remove or ejecting the external hard drive. To define this arrow, then click. Then right click the icon safely remove hardware and eject and then eject. You can now safely to unplug your hard drive disk.
So our next to do is how to install and install a software under Windows. This is Windows 7. So we're gonna start in Chrome and we go into the website that is www.download.com. After appearing the site, you will be able to search that you wanted to download a software. For example, Glary Utilities on the search box. Then scroll down. May say any type of different of Glary Utilities and click to download. After it's done to downloading process. So here are the download at the Geo setup, which is the Glary Utilities. Just click this. After clicking this, then click this and I agree. Lastly, click to install. So the utilities is installing, waiting for it's done.
The Utilities is a great system optimizer that provides a one-stop solution for your computer performance optimization. It's offer Windows
And letting it run. And to avoid like this upgrades, this professionals and any other offers, just click no thanks. So it done the Glary Utilities. As you can see that it's still running. So far that uninstall this software, all we need to do is going into the control panel and need to find the program and features, and it shows you an uninstall or change a program. Then just scroll down to find the Glary application to uninstall. After then clicking on it, just look up and click uninstall change, then click install. After that, click yes. Click reboot later if you want to. Then click finish. So that's all for the installing and uninstalling software.
So that's all for this video.
And hope you like it.
Thank you for watching.
Bye!